What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. You guys seen we picked up that 2021 Road Glide Special, man. Got that thing cleaned up, actually running really good, really smooth. Actually took it around a ride around the complex, man. So we know that thing rides good. It's just a matter of getting it together, man, cosmetically, man. So with that being said, man, we done already ordered everything we need for it, man. We're just in a waiting game now, waiting for everything to show up in the mail. So can't wait for all the parts to come. Meanwhile, speaking of parts, our bags for that thing did come in. They're black, man, so we can put them on and just get that box out the way. So I think I'm gonna do that. Meanwhile, our other 2021 Road Glide Special situated with the wheels and stuff, or at least try to get that front wheel on there for now, man. So if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We about to get this thing on the road, man. So we got these bags on here. They already came painted black, so just makes it flow that much more better. Like literally, this thing can be done in a matter of freaking like couple days or so if we keep it black, man. I just feel like that's too easy for me. But then again, y'all like the murdered out scheme. Like I haven't did one yet. This on some nice wheels would be dope. Do like the little Raider scheme, black and silver, huh? Would be pretty sick, but I feel like something crazy would be dope, man. I like the black though. It does look clean. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. Meanwhile, got rid of some wheels today. So trying to get the stock wheels off of here, man. So got to get this 21 situated. I'm gonna pull this one out, try to get that front wheel switched out, and see how we looking light-wise outside. Alrighty, guys, here we have it. Oh, that thing is gonna look good. Yeah, that red, black chrome with the red buttons. Oh my God. Definitely is gonna look freaking sick. I can't wait. I can't wait. That thing is gonna look really, really good. Once we get that fender on there, that front end is gonna be crazy. Fender, front end, and the fender and the freaking fairing look like a whole new bike, man. Let's get this thing off the jack and pull it out real quick. That's gonna be real nice, man. I was gonna mess with the back wheel tonight. I'm like, man, I ain't trying to be that whipped. I'm gonna get up on it first thing in the morning, and we'll swap that thing out back there. But no big deal. Just judging by the front, I know this thing is gonna look good because I can see that color scheme about to be brought to life, man. What y'all thinking? So this is a 2021 special in the chrome. Looks good. Looks real nice. Now we added our taste with these chrome lowers down here, so that brought that chrome out that much more. Now if we come over here to the 2021 Road Glide Special in the black, still looks amazing, man. And either one, I don't know which one I will pick. Honestly, they both look great. Like when I first started doing the bikes and stuff, man, I wasn't a fan of chrome at all. Now I'm like a huge fan of chrome. Like every time I get a chrome bike, I don't even want to change it. So if it's black already, you already know what's up. But chrome, we keeping it the same. But does look good so far, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. And then we did get a first crank up on this one. It ain't been started in a while, but man, I can't wait. These things are gonna look so good back to back, because this one's gonna be done pretty fast, I'm sure, man. We already got the bags and stuff in, as y'all see. So literally we waiting on the inner and outer fairing. Once we get that, we can take it to the paint shop and figure out what we gonna do. But it's pretty much, I mean, it's pretty much easy to go. This one's already done. Can't wait. Antonio's to be finished with the paint set tomorrow, so probably about to just take this one around the complex just because and see what's up. Alrighty, we got these things back in the garage, rearranged. So Tomorrow morning, we're going to try to get that back wheel on this one. Meanwhile, Antonio should be done with this tomorrow. So I don't know. We may be able to go out there real early and grab it before traffic. If it's before traffic, I don't mind. Anything after that, it's a no-go. But then again, our wheels for this will be done Wednesday. So I might just wait till Wednesday to pick that up. Then again, that is kind of too long. So I don't know, man. I might have to do a double trip. But in the morning, we will see. Next morning here, man, I'm wide awake. It's 2 o'clock and I'm wide awake, dog. I said I was gonna hit y'all in the morning and that's what I did. So now I told y'all yesterday, man, that Road Glide special was gonna be done as soon as Antonio hit us, man. And Antonio literally hit us right after we got done putting on that wheel yesterday. So man, we about to head up out of here, hit the city real quick, do a quick turnaround. It's 2 o'clock. I'm trying to be back out here by like 10 or 11, man. So quick turnaround, hitting the road, going to get these motorcycle parts, man. So let's slide. Made it to the city, Tony, yo. And y'all see we out here early today, dog. About to get it going. So here we are, guys. We got our 2021 color matched fairing. Looks good. Looks really good. Antonio did a good job there. And then we got our wraparound fender. Oh yeah, this thing gonna look nice. Did a good job, man. Look good. Yeah, it looks good. All right, so if y'all see how this little pinstripe is here, Antonio about to get cracking on this one real quick. He said 30 minutes, he'll be able to knock it out, man. So I'm gonna let him knock it out. We're gonna get it going. Alrighty, guys, we got it out here in the sun. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Yeah, you did a good job, Antonio. Looks really good. Thank you. Yeah, that thing fly, man. I'm digging it now. We could show rock with that, dog. For sure. Yeah. Alrighty, man. Antonio didn't put his little foot on there, man. That thing look good. That thing look good, Antonio. Look really good. That's crazy. I didn't think it was gonna be like the same exact thing, but literally the same exact thing. I am excited, dog. I can't wait. This just amped me up way more on the next one. Like the black one we got, man. Oh, me and Antonio, we about to go crazy. We about to go crazy on the next one. Next paint job, we about to go crazy. Yeah, for sure. I can't wait, man. Can't wait, man. Y'all see what's going on. About to get home and get this thing put back together, dog. So we are halfway to the house. We picked up our little parts and stuff, man. So I can't wait to get back to the garage, throw this stuff on and see how that thing look, man. So let's hurry up and get there, get this thing swapped out, see what it's looking like, man. Y'all think it's gonna look good? Let your boy know in the comments below right now, dog. I can't wait. Alrighty, guys, just made it back to the crib. We got our outer fairing here. We got our low little oil cooler cover or whatever there, and then we have our wraparound here, man. So we're gonna get this front end situated. I'm gonna get this thing pulled out. We're gonna get it going, dog. Alrighty, guys, we looking like something now, man. We got that fairing on there. Oh my god, I'm mad that the freaking dude broke our little door when he was loading it up, but that's literally all we're waiting for. We already have the whole like cover already. We literally just need this hinge part right here. But all in all, does look good. Color match is on point. Antonio did an excellent job. Looks great, man. Let's get this front fender on here and see how it's looking. Oh my God. Wow. Look at that thing, y'all. 2021 Road Glide Special. Looks freaking amazing in chrome. I ain't gonna even hold you. This wraparound fender did it for me. Antonio actually did a real good job of matching it up. Looks really, really good. Really, really lovely, man. That chrome and everything looks amazing, dog. What y'all think about it? Gotta wipe this thing down. It's looking good, though. I am digging it. That thing look good, man. She's fairing look great. Everything look nice on this joint, man. I'm digging it. No rubbing or nothing. So that's a plus. What y'all boys think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. I'm excited now, man. We haven't got our back wheel on there yet, but I ain't gonna hold you. This front wheel do it just for me. I really gotta wipe it down. This thing is dusty, but man, what y'all think? And then I did wipe him down a little bit. Man, this front end just looks so A1. Like, man, look at it. Yeah, that look cold, man. I can't even hold y'all. That thing look amazing. That chrome is something different. I gotta fire this thing up and ride it around, man. I got to. This thing looks freaking fire. Freaking fire. Freaking fire. Yes, sir. All we got left to do is get our rear wheel put on and get this little storage door right here. But other than that, it's done and headed to one of you guys, man. So can't wait. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Alrighty, man. Now we got that thing back in the mix of things. Literally just got the rear wheel left and that storage door, but I'm gonna probably do the rear wheel later on. It's just freaking hot right now. So I'm gonna regroup, get ready for this giveaway today. We're gonna come back out later and finish it. Alrighty, guys. Next morning here, we are back. We know where these bikes are going. So this bike is going to Pennsylvania. Our CVO is going to North Carolina, man. So congratulations to the winners, man. I appreciate you guys' support, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway or if you guys didn't win, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, and you'll be entered to win my 2021 Road Glide Special in black. Of course, it's going to have my taste on it. So you guys know it's going to look good as well. We pretty much finished up with this one. Literally just waiting for this little door right here. But I just noticed this black one has the door and it works, so might just swap that over there so we can complete that and then just get it for the black one when we're ready. But we do have our inner and outer fairing for our black. Let's check it out right here, and our wraparound for our Road King that's coming. Here we have our inner and outer for our other 2021 Road Glide. It is still wrapped up and it is in black, so I actually think it's painted black. Like this thing, we can literally finish this bike right now, man. What y'all think about the black? I know black would look hard. We ain't never had a murdered out black bike yet. Would look dope to keep this thing black. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'm not sure, man, what y'all thinking. And then I gotta put this rear wheel on this Road Glide. However, I know I'm gonna have some trouble with that, man. I just don't feel like breaking my neck and it's just struggling right now. So I think I'm gonna pass on that, but it will get done. Meanwhile, we got our parts and stuff. So man, we can pretty much start detaching that Road Glide if that's what we're gonna do. Don't know what I really wanna do just yet, man. So give me some ideas in the comments below, dog. Then I actually think since we pretty much finished this one off, I want to get this one in the paint shop literally as soon as we can get it in there. So I think I'm gonna start busting this one down, at least take everything apart and get it to Antonio today. Yeah, we got to drive back to LA, man. Right back. I wish they would have brought the inner and outer fairing before I went yesterday. It would have been perfect. But we got to get these parts to the shop now. I can keep it black, but black would just be like too easy for me, man. And then black is like just like it's cool, but it's boring to me, man. I want something spiced up. You already know, man. So I'm gonna pull this one out, start taking all the parts off, and we'll get it to the paint shop. Alrighty, guys, man, we got our 2021 Road Glide Special bust down. We got our parts right here. I was having some hard time on his front fender. One of the freaking bolts was stripped, but we ended up getting it out, luckily. So, inner and outer fairing is over there, so no need to take that off, but everything else is gonna look good, man. I can't wait. Can't freaking wait, dog. We're gonna push this thing back into the corner, get this gas tank broken down in that rear fender, as well, along with those, along with the saddlebags, get them all bust down, get them ready to go, and then we'll be good to go. Alrighty, guys, we got everything broken down. We got our inner, we got our outer fairing here, gloss black, of course. Looks really good. Like I said, we could have kept it black and played it easy, but easy isn't always the best, man. And you guys know I like being the best, man. So we got our fender, rear fender gas tank, side covers, rear taillight fascia, oil cooler cover. This little piece by the forks. Inner fairing will be painted. That gloss black does look good on the inner fairing, but we will be getting that thing color matched to whatever color we choose. And I think I found the color, man. So with that being said, I think I'm about to load this up in the truck, edit this video, get y'all the video, and then dip up out of here, man. We're gonna see though what y'all think so far. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing loaded up. All our parts here for our 2021 Road Glide. It's time to get that thing looking a whole lot different. Meanwhile, our red 2021 in chrome, it's all the way done. We literally just got to put our back wheel on there and replace our little door here. Now that bike does have the door on there, so I might just switch that one. We have it on order already, but I kind of want this thing done pretty soon, man, so we'll see. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. You guys see we got some upgrades on that 2021 Road Glide Special in chrome, man. This thing is headed to Pennsylvania, man, and our CVO is headed to North Carolina. Both great bike. Thank you for the support, guys. I appreciate you guys, man. If you guys missed out on this giveaway for my 2021 Road Glide Special in chrome and my CVO, man, it's not the end of the world, man. We got another 2021 Road Glide Special. You guys see we are getting that paint situated, so that thing's gonna look clean once it come back. Definitely trying something I never did before with this one, so just stay tuned for that, man. I can't wait. You guys want to answer for this giveaway, man, we also got a Road King that we're giving away. So we're giving away our Road Glide and a Road King, man. 2021 Road Glide and a 2014 Road King, man. Head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy you a red, blue, and white hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, the truck is loaded up. I wanted to take the car, but I don't want that tight of a squeeze, man. So with that being said, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.